live look at the White House this morning as the Trump administration continues to carry out its crackdown on illegal immigration. Now, there are some major new developments as the White House celebrates achievements, and at the same time, critics mounting major legal challenges to their ongoing actions. National correspondent Christine Frizzau this morning with the latest.
An undocumented criminal migrant and former police officer from Venezuela arrested in Miami this weekend. He'll join hundreds of other migrants expected to be returned to Venezuela, despite the country previously saying it wouldn't accept them. The first flight's already going out Monday, landing in Caracas Monday night.
Anything we can do to restore order to the border, but then look to legal immigration as a way for people to come in an orderly and humane way, I think is the way to go.
This as U.S. service members and DoD contractors work to erect migrant shelters at the naval base at Guantanamo Bay, part of a plan to detain more migrants. A plan border czar Tom Homan says is being hindered by alleged leakers from inside the Department of Homeland Security and the FBI, tipping people off before ICE agents arrive.
It's just not, giving the bad guys a heads up so they can escape apprehension. You're putting officers' lives at risk. It's only a matter of time if we walk into a place where there's going to be a bad guy doesn't care. He's going to be sitting and wait for the officers to show up and ambush him. This is not a game.
He says a criminal investigation will be launched by the Justice Department, and those responsible could go to jail. The new immigration landscape bringing new legal pushback as well. 27 religious groups joining forces to sue the Trump administration over its policy allowing arrests to be made inside houses of worship, as several sanctuary cities join in a legal challenge to the new White House policy threatening to cut funding to those cities.
This is the federal government coercing local officials to bend to their will or face defunding or prosecution, and that is illegal or authoritarian.
One more change we're learning of. The Trump administration has now asked the Treasury Department to deputize some law enforcement agents with the IRS to help with immigration enforcement. Some would conduct financial investigations, but others would help with processing, detaining, and transporting migrants. In Washington, I'm Christine Frizzau.